Welcome to another unboxing video. Alright, so we are unboxing this Hello Ho Ho from X11 100 Fun. Nabili ko to sa SM La Union. Makukuha natin ay mga to. So this is a blind box. Yan, this is my first box actually of this cute little monkeys. Let's go. Alright. Unboxing. Ooh. Wow. In the box, nakukuha natin ay it's like an ID. And with Hello Ho Ho milk tea. Tadan, tadadan. Wow! Hello, monkey. Wow, it's so cute. Ano naman? Oh, di ba? Wow, milk tea. An empty bottle. But may mga black Persia doon. Ayan guys. Bigay natin. Wow! Look at that monkey. Tingnan natin. Pwede pa siya. Ayun! Ganun pala siya guys. Ayan. Ayan pala siya guys. Oh. This monkey looks like a drinking. Yan. Siya yung nasa box, guys. Yan. Siya yung nasa first dito sa collection. So, we'll try to get all of them. And this one over here. Parang may secret siya. Yan. Hope you like it.